Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 27. Given the reaction above, we have the reaction of carbon monoxide and water to give us carbon dioxide and oxygen and hydrogen. Now we are asked to calculate the standard heat change of reaction above if the standard enthalpies of the formation of carbon dioxide, water and carbon monoxide in kilojoules per mole are -394, -242 and -110 respectively. Now to find the standard heat change, which is delta H, it is equal to standard heat change delta H is equals to the heat change or the heat content of the product minus that of the reactant. So that is heat of product minus heat of reactant. Now looking at the products here are carbon dioxide and hydrogen, but the heat content of hydrogen now will be 0 because it's an element, because it doesn't have heat of formation. But that of carbon dioxide is given. The heat of formation of carbon dioxide is equals to -394. So we simply have that delta H is equals to -394 minus, now the heat content of the reactants will be that of carbon monoxide plus that of water, and the heat content of carbon monoxide is -242, so plus that of water, which is -110. So this is equals to -394 minus -352. So this will give us -394 plus -352, sorry, plus 352, because minus times minus will give us plus, and -394 plus 352 will give us -42 kilojoules per mole. So the answer to this question is actually option D, -42 kilojoules per mole. That is the standard heat change of the reaction above. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past